Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about what to pack when traveling to Isha Yoga Center. So as we know that this is South India that we're talking about, and South India is all about the rains. So I was there in the month of October, November, and even then it was raining a lot. So considering the upcoming months, which is going to be the monsoon months, and if you're planning to go anytime soon, so yeah, rain is a big factor for which we have to be prepared. So one thing is definitely an umbrella or a raincoat to protect. And with rain comes mosquitoes. So even in November, I remember getting bit by crazy mosquitoes in the ashram. So definitely Odomos is a must. Other than that, your electronics like your charger and everything, bring it from home. Otherwise, if that is not possible, then Amazon is there for you to sort it out in a few days. Another important thing I would say is, like, it's actually one of the most important, is your meds. So we have medical care inside the ashram and you can get medicines, but it takes a lot of, it's a process, because they would ask you for prescription and this and that and this and that. So if you have some basic meds for yourself, just bring it from home. Because I remember one akka from my dormitory only, she was going through some problems and she had to wait for a long time in order to get medicines. So that was one thing I realized that should be brought from home. Other than that, I would say a blanket, a sheet, like basic things. You will get, actually you don't get any of that in the ashram. You only get the mattress. So I would highly recommend that you bring a sheet, a blanket. If you want a pillow is great. Coats, raincoat, socks, shoes, slippers, yoga mat. What else is important? Isha Life has some amazing products. I loved Isha Life. You get so much you can get like stationery stuff, books by Sadhguru, you can get yoga mat, clothes, some snacks, chai, this, that, and even convenience store has everything. So there's biscuits, chocolates, although you shouldn't be having that when you visit the ashram, but it's all in there, so you can get that as well. I think is inside the ashram. So the best part is that first of all, there is a convenience store inside the ashram where you can get like 80% of the things, from comb to stationery to food items. And another amazing part is that Amazon delivers inside the ashram as well. So you can order on Amazon and like within a few days, like how much ever is the delivery, they'll take a couple of days more to quarantine the product and then you'll get that. So even that is sorted out, which is great. That's all you need in the ashram to live. So I am actually going back in July, in the month of July. Right now it's almost May. So definitely umbrella and Odomos is like highest priority. Also I would say if like your skincare, if there are particular products that you want to take from home only, otherwise there's Amazon, of course. But yeah, more or less you're sorted if you bring, the basic things from home. I wouldn't recommend bringing laptop, to be honest. Like if that can be avoided, you can avoid that. Like anyway, you don't get time to do all this, like do laptop stuff. The day has its own routine, which takes you how it takes you. So I think, yeah, that's all you need. Maybe a glass for like hot water in the morning. You can bring your own. That's all. If I remember something, I will put it in the description box or in the comment section below. If you have any questions regarding your visit to the ashram, if I am missing something and you remember something, then do comment below. And thanks a lot for watching. Namaskar. Thank you.